Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti with the shrimp and scallops. For the ingredients we got spaghetti, scallops, shrimp. I got a shallot, garlic, dry tomato, flake hot pepper, half of cream, white wine, and spinach. Now first thing I like to see is the shrimp and the scallops. I got sea salt. And I use little salt on the scallops and on the shrimp and black pepper. Okay, now I got the pots over here. I put the gas on and let's put a little oil. Not too much oil, because I want the scallops and the shrimp to be beautiful color. And we put a little oil. We leave warm up the oil really good. And after we start with the scallops. And the scallops I gotta do both sides. Okay, now we start with the scallops. And we put like this, nice. Okay, now I salt on one side, now I salt on this other side. Salt. And black pepper. Okay, gotta be both sides salt and black pepper. Okay, now gotta make sure the flame do not be too high. The flame gotta be on medium, and we make the scallops a beautiful color. But before you turn, what do? You check. See, got a beautiful color, you turn to the other side. Okay, now you got a color on the side, and now we turn. They look good. Okay, and now we gotta make on the other side the color like this. Okay, now we take out this, it's the same like I say on the other side. And we take it out. And after this I take it out, I gotta do the shrimp. Because what happens is you put the shrimp and the scallops together, it's too much wet and it not come nice the color. Okay, now we put a little bit more oil for the shrimp. Now everybody knows that the shrimp you cook more fast than the scallops. Okay, the scallops it's more thick. And the shrimp you not gotta cook too much neither. And now it's time to put the shrimp. And we do the same like I did the scallops. Okay, now we put a little salt on the shrimp too on the other side. And black pepper. Okay, now we turn the shrimp on the other side. See the color? It's beautiful. Because this you not gotta cook too much. Now one time this, I turn the other side like that. I gotta put back the scallops, and we gotta put wine. Okay, now the shrimp is ready, and now we put the scallops back. And we give a little turn like this. You got the scallops, you gotta go every place too like that. And now it's time to put the white wine. And now we gotta leave evaporate the wine. Okay, now this everything you got a good flavor with the wine, everything. And now we gotta take it out. And I gotta put it right out in this dish over here. Okay. Now we put the pots back over here. And we need oil. I put it really on low. Okay, now I chop my garlic and the shallot. And we put it right over here. And now we leave it cook a little bit nice. Okay, now the time of the garlic and the shallot to cook, now it's time to put the pasta. And this you gotta cook like this. At the same time, ready everything, the shrimp, the scallops, everything, the pasta be ready. The pasta you gotta cook like 11 to 12 minutes. And the pasta are salty already, but make sure when you cook a pasta, a lot of people said to me, Pasquale, why my pasta stick together? You need to use a lot of water. You see how many water I got? It's a lot of water. Make sure. Okay, now this is nice. Now we put the dry tomato. And use like this, you give a really, really good taste to everything. Now we lower the gas a little bit. I don't want to burn my garlic and my onion. It got to be nice and beautiful color. And now we got the flake of hot pepper. I put the flake of hot pepper. Ah, smells so good. And now it's a time to put half and a half of cream over here. And we lower the gas. Okay. Now we leave it start boil this. Okay, now this is boiled nice. Now we put back the shrimp and the scallops. And we give a little turn to give a good taste all together. Look how beautiful it looks now. Now when this is start to boil a little bit more, it's a time to put the spinach. Because the spinach you not gotta cook it too much. The spinach you put inside, that way it cook. Okay, now it's a time to put the spinach. Because the spinach, like I say, cook fast. This it's baby spinach. Okay. And we give a nice turn the spinach all together. Look how beautiful it look. Really, really good. Now the pasta is ready. Now, so you gotta drain the pasta. Make sure to leave a little water. Maybe you need it. But I got the pots. What I do, I take the spaghetti and I put little on the pots over here. But I take it out of the pasta, little al dente. I wanted to cook it together a little bit more with the shrimp, scallops, and the spinach. Like this, it give a good taste and cook a little bit more. Okay, now we put it back over here. Put the gas a little high. Like I say, we gotta make a nice turn of the spaghetti with everything over here. And we leave it cook a little bit more. Cause the pasta it's al dente. And look at, oh, this is gotta be so delicious with a nice glass of wine on this. I want somebody make this. I want to know really good. Okay, everything is done. And now it's time to put over here on this table. And look how beautiful this dish. Now, I put it right over here. I want to taste. Look how beautiful. Now the shrimp. Now the shrimp I left the tail. The tail is so easy to come out. Just you squeeze, it go right straight in your mouth. Now we got some cheese. And we shred the cheese on the top. A lot of time the people said to me, Pasquale, you're not supposed to use cheese for the fish. Hey, it's the dish we make it today. You need a little cheese. You don't want the cheese? No poor. Okay, let's taste. Scallops. Cook perfect. And the shrimp, look. You pick it up for the tail, You squeeze, everything good. Everybody said to me, Pasquale, what happened to your wine? I got my wine. I want to do salute the cingina, everybody. I hope somebody make this dish. It's delicious. Salute e cingina, everybody. And we see next time. Cin cin. Salute.